Uganda Royo ajjako ne pompo eri watali empale ali wanakola ki akola inspection kyekugundi oyo jowere wuuyo mugimu akola inspection Captain Pabla nawe tula mwana
Ivan Kulika nze assistant coach wa Jinja Lions Beach Soccer Club. Royal tusambe ne Uganda Royal Beach Soccer Club nga game wedde Saturday kyenso gamba kiki muntu abalenzi bange babadde betegefu bulungi ate nga balina enyiike okwagala okuwangula games eza Liigi ya season eno. So tugenza okujja mu game eno nga twaga points 3 kuba nga tusinze kweteeka bulungi nga tulabya danga timu gye tugeo samba twali tusubira ntuso okugikuba kyovula tusobodde oku maintaining abasajja abo okuba kuba game ya leero. Obubonero busatu butwekuumira mu race ey'okubeera mu basooka abana abagenda okuba playoffs nga season ewedde nga butuyamba kinene nnyo okwongerako bwe tusobola okufuna mu maaso eyo nga otunira Buganda yo nga one of the teams ezimanya akapiira ka beach soccer ate yalinga finalist ku season ewedde olabya danga timu ya nungi ate nga esobola akapiira naye oba osobola okuba timu enene ng'eyo bwetyo kitegeeza osanga timu ziye ntono ngaffe ng'eyaffe tusobola okuteekawo emyanya tusobola okuba nga tubeera ku table wa global okubeera mu basooka abana nga ekirubirira kyaffe. Is Kulika Ivan, assistant coach Jinja Lions Beach Soccer Club. Today we played against Buganda Royal Beach Soccer Club, winning the game 3-1. The win that we've gotten today gives us an upper hand to remain in the competition or in the race to be among the top 4 that will be in the playoffs at the end of the season. Buganda Royal being one of the big teams in beach soccer in the league, I think when we win such a team, it gives us opportunity to remain in the race, since when we play the medium table teams or the other teams that are not so great as the Buganda Royal, it gives us opportunity to continue winning and at least remain in the race. And we are very opportunistic that we shall remain in the race regardless, it being the first game.
Amanya mpitibwa Juma Ibrahim, coach wa Buganda Royal season eno. Ngize ne defeat ya 3-1 naye ngenda tereza mu seen the mistakes weli era ensobe ezo njazitereza. Kitumazeemu k'amaanyi era emitwe tugiwunzise wansi naye tugenda kuddamu tusituka omulundi omulala era ndowooza si enkomerero eno tugenda kusituka buto nga ba champion tubeera. Losing to Jinja, right now Jinja might be well said than Buganda Royal. So as in football or in just beach soccer is like just football. The best team wins. So it was Jinja's day, not Buganda Royal's day. Yeah.
Since it's my first time to play beach soccer, like it was hard for me. It wasn't an easy game. It was very hard for me.
I'm so happy because it's my first time to play beach soccer. So if I've won that game, that's a very good experience, you know.